Hello, students. I'm going to look at this example and talk about a strong summary. But before I talk about what's actually here, what I want to do is look at just making it look a little, better. See how there's different colors here? And also here, see the red line under this? If you're in Google Docs and you click on something like with a red line, that means there's a spelling mistake. So if you do one click, it'll give you a suggestion. In most cases, it's correct. So you can then click on suggestion and click on that. See how it changed it? So it was a spelling error, a spelling mistake. Okay, so up here, I have remember Control C to copy and Control V to paste. So if you slide your mouse over the whole paragraph, and then on your keyboard you press Control C, then you can paste it. So if it's in one document, you press Control C, then you can paste it in this document. So you select it, press Control C, then where you want it to go, you press Control V, and do you see it's double there? So you can practice doing that so that you can move a summary from one place to another place. Now, another thing that I want to show you is to select everything, look up at the top here, the font. When you type for school, everything should be in Times New Roman. So see that there? Times New Roman. So at the top of the page, click Fonts and click on Times New Roman. If you don't see it here, then go to the bottom and go all the way down to Times New Roman. But when you use it one time, you'll see it in this list and click on Times New Roman. Now it all looks the same. It's still blue though. So it's still all selected. So some of it's underlined. So let's go underline everything and then take the underline off, hit it 2 times. Now there's no underline. But it's not the same size. So if you look at it, sometimes the letters are bigger. So go to font size, and it should be size 12. So click on 12. Now it's all the same style, all the same size, but it's blue and black. So you go to text color, click on here, and let's make it black to seem normal. So it's same font, same size, same color. We took out the underlines, but we see this last sentence is italicized. So let's take that out. See this I? That means that the language is tilted. So if we click it, everything's italicized, click it one more time, and now everything's straight. Do you see that? How different it is? And this is what we had at the beginning. So now it looks much better. So this is a very good summary. If you read this summary, this is a very good summary for reading number 1. There's only one thing I want to say. The transition words at the beginning, is this 1 transition or 2? Yep, you got it right. It's 2. So in writing, you shouldn't have 2 transitions at the beginning of a sentence. So let's just pick one. Let's go with my favorite, in conclusion. There you go. So now it is a very strong example of a summary. It's the student's words. It's not copied. So that's very good. And it's now it looks stronger. So I'm going to take this out by doing highlight color, none. Okay, so if you watch this a lot of times with a Google document, you should get more and more comfortable changing it. Because my time's running out, I'm going to look at this response and just say one thing. Take some time and look at this response. It's very strong. It would be even better if there was a personal example. But this idea, we should not be persuaded by advertisers, that's from the reading. Excellent summary and response. I hope this video helps you make yours also look strong too.